So what's up, everyone? Whatever, Robert. We got the pole saws out. Getting ready to do a thing. Sorry, the battery died. So I got my chain thing here. We're gonna cut some shit. Just like that, that's done. Time to clear out some of the debris. I hope I don't have to fix this fence. Alright, so pants are falling down. Time to get back to work. Good time. Got to clear a path for me to get to that. So now, clear out your walking path so you don't trip when you're using a chainsaw. So now, sheared that off. Broke that off. Got to get a new one. Here we go. So yeah, that's where I got so far. So brought this makeshift extension cord out. I made it. This is where my makeshift extension cord comes into play because I don't got enough wire, so unchange this. Think I can get this one done, but it's messed up because it's by the cable wire. Here goes nothing. So now I just got to pull this up off the cable wire. Here we go, got one off. Stupid people put wires next to cables. So we got that much taken care of down there. Gonna have a big fire pit soon. Hopefully get all the twigs off, use them as kindle, and then put a fire pit down here. That way we can burn all this. So I gotta somehow clean that up, but I can't use my pole chainsaw because it's just close and quarters in there, my dog kennel. Hopefully I can cut that to knock that down because that's on my last nerve. Come back at you with the pole saw. I want to stand close, far away from this one. Damn branch almost knocked me over. letting the saw do the work. Okay, that moved the whole fence. Yeah. Like I said, that rolled that way, wiggled the whole fence. Nothing a little wire can't fix. So when you cut a tree down, you want to trim your branches, then cut. Because what happens is all these little branches, they get stuck. And then you can't work your way in and get the tree stump. Therefore, so if you trim your tree, get rid of all the branches and stuff, you're easy access to get to the stump. This is definitely not a how-to video. Because this is all wrong. This is definitely not a how-to video on cutting trees. Because this is... not the way to cut a tree down. So I was going to do an outro, but my GoPro 8 was acting a little weird, so I shut it off. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.